Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Tips. We're back with another Photoshop tutorial from our educational series. In today's video, we'll take a simple and practical look at the image size window in Adobe Photoshop. We'll go over each section briefly so you can understand what it does and how to use it effectively. So let's get started. First, open a project or an image in Photoshop. Then go to the top menu and click Image Size. Or simply press the shortcut Alt plus Ctrl plus I. Once you click, the image size window will appear. At the top right, you'll see the image size value. This tells you how much space the final file will take up after making changes. For example, in our case, it shows 4.5 megabytes. Just below that, in the Dimensions section, you'll find the overall size of the image. Here it's 1536 pixels wide by 1024 pixels high. Next to it, there is a small drop-down menu where you can choose the unit of measurement, like pixels, inches, centimeters, and more. Below that, there is a Fit To option, which lets you quickly set your image size to a standard preset, like common print sizes, A4, A3, web formats, or mobile dimensions. By default, it's set to original size, but you can choose from any of the predefined templates. Further down, you'll see the width and height field. Here you can manually change the size of the image. Next to each, you can select your preferred units: pixels, percent, inches, centimeters, etc. Between width and height, there is a chain icon representing the aspect ratio lock. If it's active, changing the width will automatically adjust the height proportionally, preserving the original shape of the image. If you deactivate the chain, you can freely modify width and height independently. For example, if you want to resize to 1080 pixel or Full HD, you'll need to enter either 9020 by 1080 or 1080 by 9020, depending on orientation. But this is only possible if the chain icon is turned off. Otherwise, Photoshop will restrict changes to keep the proportions. Next, we have the Resolution section. This defines how many pixels per inch ppi the image contains. For web and screen display, a resolution of 72 ppi is generally fine. However, if you're preparing the image for printing, it's best to set this value to 300 ppi or higher. To the right of this field, you'll find a drop-down where you can choose between pixels per inch or pixels per centimeter. In practice, the unit doesn't matter much. Photoshop automatically adjusts the value according to your choice. What's important is the actual resolution value itself. Below that, you'll see the Resample checkbox. If this option is checked, Photoshop will add or remove pixels as needed when you resize the image. If unchecked, Photoshop won't alter the pixel count. It'll only adjust resolution and print dimensions. Underneath Resample, there is a drop-down menu where you can select the resampling method. If set to automatic, Photoshop will choose the best method for you. But you can manually choose options like preserve details, great for enlarging image while keeping quality. Be cubic sharper, best for reducing image size while keeping it crisp. On the left side of the window, there is a preview thumbnail, where you can see your changes live as you adjust the setting. Finally, we have two buttons. Click OK to apply the changes. Click Cancel to discard them and leave the image unchanged. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. By the way, if you're interested in a more advanced tutorial on this window, we've included a pro-level walkthrough at the end of this video. Don't miss it. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do that now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.